Hello, my name is Anders. I'm the CEO of Humly, and Humly is a Swedish workplace experience company, specializes in technology for the modern workplace and the hybrid way of working. So today here at ISE 2023, we are showcasing some of our products. This is the Humly floor plan that's integrated to our entire platform, which means that in this case you can visualize and have a look at what's available and what's busy and so on in your meeting environment. It's an excellent way to get a quick overview of the current availability of your meeting spaces. And you could either use it as a passive screen, just showcasing for the people in your organization what's available and not at the current moment. But if you have it like here on an interactive screen, you can actually just click to book both meeting rooms, of course, but also if you need to book a desk. It's a super intuitive system. It's very easy to get started with. We launched it just in the end of last year, and it's been very popular with our customer as it's already integrated with the rest of the platform. So, yeah, we think this is going to be great for, of course, office spaces, but it could also be utilized in other scenarios, like for hospitality or conference centers and other similar situations. We also have a couple of higher education customers that is really impressed by this system. And yeah, we recommend everybody to try it out. There's more information available on our website, which is humly.com. So please check us out there.